What's up everybody, it's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and look at the Omega Gideon optic. All the specifications for this optic are on the side. This is the green colored one and it's a 3 MOA dot as far as the reticle. It takes a CR1632 battery and has a nice big window that I'm about to show you. If you're looking to use something for competition or just want a larger window, this is going to be a great option. With that, let's get everything out of the package and see what comes with it. Got everything out of the package here. Quick look, so we have a owner's manual here that tells you all about the optic that you can read before you go to bed at night. You have a cleaning cloth, pretty standard for all optics. You have your two different wrenches. One will be for adjusting windage and elevation, and the other will be to help take on and off the screws to mount this to whatever you want to mount it on. And then lastly, and I do appreciate this from manufacturers, is they give you a bunch of different screws. So hopefully one of these screws or two of these screws will help you mount it to whatever you're trying to mount this to. And then lastly, and most importantly, is our optic. Another big thing that I love about these Gideon optics is that they actually give you a 1913 pick rail mount. If you wanted to put this on like an AR or like an AR9 or some kind of sub gun, whatever has a 1913 pick rail on top, you can actually mount this right to the top right now like this and use this as your red dot. The other option though, and the option that I'm gonna do, is you can take the wrench that's provided here. We can take these screws and dismount this from the 1913 pick rail. And with the screws out, this will come right off and you can save this for whenever you want to mount it to a 1913 pick rail. And now we can actually mount this to a pistol using the RMR footprint that's provided on the bottom. As far as features, functionality, honestly, all of these red dots nowadays have all the same features. Battery life, shake awake, waterproof, they're all the same nowadays. The one thing I'll point out is if you did need to change the battery, it is a top load, which I love that. And again, this takes a CR1632, which is a pretty common battery. Turning the optic on, we're gonna go ahead and push the up arrow on the side here, and now you can see the green dot. Again, this is a 3 MOA dot. To adjust windage and elevation, you have a dial on the right side as well as one on top. And again, if you're looking for an optic with a large window, this might be a great choice for you. I mean, just look at that massive circle window there. Anyways, I hope this was helpful for you. Again, just doing a quick unboxing overview of this. If it was, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.